Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. In this short little vlog episode, I have an exciting announcement for you. I am creating a cookbook. This is a mini digital download cookbook, so it's not going to be a full-fledged cookbook. I will be working on that as well, but this is what I'm putting out first, and it's going to be probably 30 to 35 pages long and include 30 recipes. And the title is going to be All Things Chocolate, 30 of my favorite recipes. And I want you to help me pick my book cover. So I have two different designs for the book cover, and I'm going to want you to help me pick which one you like the best. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway for whoever comments. You'll be entered into a giveaway, and I'll be giving away a free cookbook once I am done with it. So in order to enter, all you need to do is comment down below and let me know which cookbook design cover you like the best. Also, give me a thumbs up as well. That'll help push this video out to more viewers and spread the word. And I appreciate your support in that. All right, so here we go. Here are the designs. Design number 1. I'm calling this the diamond design. It has a little diamond shape in the middle with the text, the title, and my logo a little bigger right there. And 4 different recipe pictures, so you kind of get an idea of what might be inside of the book. So that's pretty cool. So that's design number 1. Now here is design number 2. This is the big cookie design, or the elegant classic design, if you will. And so it has just one picture, has all the text at the top, and has my logo down in the little corner there. Kind of a different design. So I have 2 completely different designs that I am trying to choose between. So here we go. Once again, here's design number 1, the diamond design. Design number 2, the big cookie or classic design. So let me know down in the comments which cookbook cover design you like the best. All right, and also if this book is successful, I'll probably do more of these little cookbooks. Maybe the next one will be 30 of my favorite breakfast dishes, or something like that, or 30 of my favorite snacks to make on the go, or some, different titles and things like that. And then eventually I'll have one huge big cookbook, like a traditional cookbook, hardback with all sorts of colored pages and stuff in there as well. I'm also going to have a Kindle version, which will just be the text and the recipes. Kindle doesn't showcase pictures very well, in my experience. So I'll sell that as well. It'll be a little cheaper ebook than this digital download that's going to be fully color. And I'm going to be working on a website where I can sell this cookbook as well as some merchandise and things. So some really exciting things happening. So what you need to do is drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite cookbook design is. Design number 1, the diamond. Design number 2, the big cookie. Also give me a thumbs up. That'll help push out the video out to more viewers. Also, this is a great way, eventually once I'm selling this book, it's a great way for you to support me and help me to make more videos. It won't be very much. It'll be a pretty cheap book to buy. So there we go. I appreciate all your support at this point and look forward to your comments. Also, that reminds me, if you want another chance or another opportunity to win, head over to my Facebook page at In the Kitchen with Matt and find my post there. I have a similar post to this video, and then make your selection over there as well. Pick which book cover you like, and so you'll essentially be entered twice. All right. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor, and this is In the Kitchen with Matt. Until next time, happy cooking and baking, everyone.